I start the event, there are a few instructions. I request everyone to please put your mobile phones on silent mode for smooth conduct of the seminar. The meeting is being also streamed online by Google Meet, so you can ask your friends to attend the same. The link is shared on social media handles of Berkeley Institute. We will have Q&A sessions at the end of the seminar. Now, I, Sagar Kumar Poddar, welcome you all on behalf of Berkeley Institute of Politics and Economics, Pune, for the special session held under our Thursday seminar series. Today, we are honored to have Mr. Madhav Patil, Director of WIS Consultant and the founder and president of Bark Pill and Nail Free Tree Movement, as our guest speaker for the session. The topic of today's seminar is Take Bark Pill and Save the World. But before I call upon the speaker, I would like to request Dr. Kailash Bavle to facilitate our guest. Thank you, Kailash sir. Now I request Kailash sir to please share thoughts on opening remarks.
I'm very much privileged to introduce or give some remark on today's guest lecture or seminar. The title is very interesting. Take a pill bath and save the world. The D.R. Gadgil Center for Sustainable Village Development is working on the promoting the volunteerism among the students. This is the first thing. Second, we give the importance to the very small things, very tiny things, because action speaks louder than the word. So we believe on the action. During this Water Awareness Week, we, D.R. Gadgil Center, organized around 7 different activities which are related to the sustainable development of the area, sustainable development of the institutions, sustainable development of the nation itself. Why I am calling these activities are related to the sustainable development? Because we have identified the 7 areas, and that 7 areas are related to the Sustainable Development Goals 2030 announced by the UNO. The 7 areas, likely one is the sustainable water, then sustainable soil, sustainable health, biodiversity, green energy, developmental education, and transparent grassroots level administration. We also prioritize these 7 areas, and the first most priority is the water, because there is no water, then there is no agriculture, there is no culture, and hence there is no development at all. So without water, you can't have a development. You can't measure the GDP. And you know the measurement of the development all over the world is the GDP. If GDP is higher than we call it is a developed nation. But only the GDP is not the indicators of the sustainable development. Therefore, sustainable development must be measured in terms of the resources. The duplication of the resources means we are not reaching the sustainable development. So water is the most priority sector for the sustainable development, and therefore our D.R. Gadgil Center has identified these important resources. In this resource, we have organized so many things. We have started activities from the September 2020. First, we have organized 2-3 seminars in this seminar hall, which are related to the development of the water plan of our villages. We have not stopped there only. Actually, we have identified some villages in the Maharashtra, and we are working with the 12 different colleges, and now that college number is around 25. So these 25 colleges identified or adopted 5 villages each, and we are going to develop a water plan of that more than 100 villages during the next 6 months. Actually, Gokhale Institute students have visited in the last month in one village, Vadgaon, and during the 3 days, they have surveyed the all water bodies and the structures of that village as well as the inventories of the wells, and they have collected the data from more than 100 households in that village, which is related to the water only. So analyzing all this data, they are creating they are developing a plan of the sustainability of water that village. In the same way, we are now identifying the different problems of the water at the different places. For example, in our institute itself, what is the water consumption here? Is it right consumption, or we are using a more water than what is required to us? So wastage of water is one another issue which has to be treated by ourselves. In the case of water, availability of water is most important. Similarly, the management of water is also most important. Therefore, I always say drought is not because of the shortage of the rainfall. If you see the data of the rainfall of the last 100 years, 10 years, you will see the rainfall is the same. But management is not proper. So we must look towards the management of the water also. Today's guest lecture, Madhav Patil, is working in the movement of the water, that is management of the movement. He is working from the demand side of the water. So how we can efficiently use the water, available water, because we are not creating the water. What is in our hand? The use of the water, efficient use of the water is our hand. Therefore, he developed one movement which is known as the take the bath pill. आंघोळीची गोळी घ्या आणि पाणी वाचवा. So what is this bath pill and how that bath pill will save the water that has been experienced by our 40 students in the Vadgaon Gyanan. How many are here there? Yeah, these are there. 3 days they don't take the bath there. And after 3 days I ask them how much water you have saved. So everybody must have saved at least 40 liter per day. The 40 liter per day into 3 is the 120 liters in a 3 days by one student multiplied by 40. So that is the very small thing, but it has a great impact. If everybody observe the small things in our life, we will definitely save our world. So with these few words, I welcome Madhav, and I also welcome all of you who are over here. Thank you very much.
सो नमस्कार, हॅलो, सत श्री अकाल, ओला. हे का सांगतोय मी? कारण वी ऑल आर फ्रॉम डिफरंट प्लेसेस. ओके, रादर वी आर फ्रॉम वन प्लेस and that is called earth. Okay, so one thing is common between you and me is earth. Okay, and water. Okay, and natural resources. Okay, here I am going to talk about water, but before that we will see the relation between water and climate change. Okay, so global warming, we know that global warming is rise in temperature of earth, average rise in temperature of earth, but we have changed that global warming name to climate change. What happens? What is the difference between global warming and climate change? Climate change is nothing but changing the pattern of the seasons. Okay, in rainy season you will find ऊन असतं, कडाक्याचं ऊन असतं, or in summer you will find rain or something like that. Okay, or sometimes in Pune in the morning you will get severe cold, in the afternoon ऊन असेल, संध्याकाळी पाऊस असेल, असं काहीतरी हे झालेलं आहे. सो इट्स चेंज ऑफ वेदर पॅटर्न. ओके, अँड वेदर पॅटर्न तुम्हाला आम्हाला काही फरक पडत नाही, बट इट अफेक्ट्स टू द फार्मर्स. ओके, सो त्यांना फरक पडतो. ओके, सो why climate change is there? Because of we are exploiting natural resources. We are using petrol, diesel, coal, these natural resources we are using for our benefit. Okay, we are contributing to the pollution, and due to that greenhouse gases are increasing. Okay, and that global warming or climate change is happening. Burning of fossil fuels, then deforestation. We don't care about trees, we don't care about our forest. In America, for every person, there are around 500 trees. For one person, you will get 500 trees in America. But in India, for one person, there is only 28 trees. The huge difference is there. And we are not, to be frank, we are not that much serious about trees. We just focus on development. Yes, development must be there, but sustainable development. Okay. Then again, use of plastic, okay, which is not recyclable. Then climate change on our dining plate means what? Because of climate change, farmers get affected. The produce of that field is get affected. Okay, so if we are not getting good food, that is because of climate change, and we are responsible for climate change. That means whatever we are getting in our dining plate is because of we only. Okay, and due to climate change, what happens? Drought, then severe floods, okay, then cyclones. Okay, so these things happens because of climate change. Our dining plate is empty. Why empty? You must be having calculator with you all. Okay, so just calculate 24 into 365. Can somebody? 24 means what? There are 24 hours in a day. Okay, so 24 8,760. These much farmers died every year. They commit suicide every year. That means for every 1 hour there is one suicide of farmer, and that is because of climate change. And climate change is because of us, we people, we the people of this earth. Okay, then because of climate change, there are refugee camps. You must be knowing that there is a rise in sea level. Okay, so definitely if there is a rise in sea level, you have to displace or remove those area to another area. Okay, so there are refugee camps. One of the Australian, or rather United Nations one agency, they have given one report. By 2050, around 1.2 billion people will be living in refugee camps. Okay, so when small girls or women living in refugee camps, what happens? They have to go to fetch the water. They have to go to fetch the wood to burn or to cook the food. Okay, that means when a woman or girl living in a refugee camp, there is no security. Okay, one report of United Nations says because of climate change, there are refugee camps, and because of refugee camps, the percentage of rapes are increasing. So directly, indirectly, we are responsible for the violence of women. Okay, so we should take care of our natural resources. So that girl may not get good food, good water, or good education. Okay, so these non-NGO, NGO, okay, see, so no use of what we can say, let it be. Okay, so economics, before I came here, thanks to Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics, I just एकदा मी परत बघितलं की व्हॉट इज इकॉनॉमिक्स. सो फॉर मी इकॉनॉमिक्स इज नथिंग बट utilization of any product. Okay, for me, as we are into environment, we are looking for good utilization or proper utilization of natural resources. And for me, water is product for me, because again economics means product, production, distribution, utilization and service. So water is a product. I don't have any facility to produce water. It's by means of natural only. Okay, so that is how to remove this. Okay, so production is not in our hand. Then distribution, yes, definitely it is in our hand. Utilization, definitely it is in our hand. And service, again it is in our hand. Okay, so the more good management we have, the more satisfied people we have related to water. Okay, so this is a picture of maybe in Chennai, maybe of Bangalore, tomorrow maybe of Pune, tomorrow maybe any city of India. Okay, and that's in our hand. Bangalore people, those living in flats, bungalows, they are now shifting from Bangalore to another place, to Mysore or to another cities. Okay, it's very scary. It's because of we only. Okay, yes, one more. In Africa, woman, any woman, average walks 5 kilometers daily for water, to bring that 2 or 3 bucket of water. 5 kilometer average daily. Okay, so I should care for Marathwada. We should care for Vidarbha also, people of Vidarbha also. We should care for my auntie who is in Cape Town. Not my auntie exactly, but any woman from Cape Town. Why? Because we believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज म्हणतात, हे विश्वची माझी घर. दिस एंटायर वर्ल्ड इज माय फॅमिली. ओके, आणि मी आता जरा थोडासा सेटल झालोय, बिकॉज यू ऑल आर माय फ्रेंड्स, यू ऑल आर फ्रॉम माय फॅमिली. ओके, बिकॉज गोखले इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स अँड इकॉनॉमिक्समध्ये बोलायचं म्हणजे थोडंसं दडपण येत आहे, पण आता आय एम ओके. ओके ओके, सो वसुधैव कुटुंबकम हॅज गिवन मी सम सहारा. थँक यू. Yes, one more thing. This earth is happy. You know, we all are happy. Right? We want all on earth be happy. बरोबर ना? ते आता नाही आहेत. कारण मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की 2050 ला 1.2 बिलियन होणार आहे. दॅट मीन्स 2024 ला कदाचित ते 10 मिलियन असू शकतील. ओके, दोज 10 मिलियन गर्ल्स are not getting good food, good education. Okay, so what are the solutions on climate change? So there are many solutions, n number of solutions. Putting solar panels, n number of solutions. Plant trees. Okay, rainwater harvesting, or switch off lights whenever not necessary, or don't use coal, reduce fossil fuel. There are many, n number of solutions, but solution must start within self, within yourself, within every individual. Okay, I'll give you one quote. Every individual is resource of time, skill goodwill. Okay, time, skill, and goodwill. And if we all do something together, then there is no problem that we cannot solve. Okay, किसी के पास टाइम है, किसी के पास स्किल है, किसी के पास आइडियाज है, किसी के पास पैसा है, किसी के पास पावर है, पॉलिटिक्स है. Okay, if I have power, anybody knows who is environment minister of Maharashtra? ठीक है, जाऊन दे. Okay, so there are many solutions. So bath pill is the last solution. Why I am saying last? That you should give answer later. Okay, because Bangalore people are going to mall to do some activities, water related activities. So that is very scary. So bath pill is the last solution. Okay. So this bath pill from 2015, we used to take one placard, and whenever whoever comes to Pune, we used to give that placard to that personalities, and we used to discuss what is bath pill, and the literal the जसा आहे तसा meaning सांगतो. What is the meaning of bath pill? It is nothing but skipping a bath, because solution on climate change, solution on drought starts with yourself, within you. Okay, so what is bath pill? So when you skip a bath, okay, generally you need 20 to 30 liters of water for bathing. Okay, when you skip a bath, I don't say don't touch water on if you take bath pill. Just do your necessary things with less water. So that means you can save at least 10 liters of water when you take bath pill. When you skip a bath, you must have experienced in Vadgaon. Okay, so कमी वापरलं असेल पाणी, बरोबर. So using less water is bath pill. Okay, or saving water is bath pill. But when you skip a bath, you will save 10 liters of water. What is the population of world? 8 billion. So 8 billion into 10, how much? You can save 80 billion liters of water. Just imagine. Okay, so bath pill is nothing but there are 4 pillars of bath pill. First thing is that sacrifice. Sacrifice. Gandhiji, guru of Gokhale, my political guru. Gandhiji's guru. Okay, what Gandhiji sacrificed? Cloth. बराबर ना? Okay, उससे सब लोगों को मिला क्या? क्लोथ पहनने के लिए नहीं मिला. But that was just a trigger point. That is his wish that every Indian should get proper clothes. बराबर है? So bath pill is nothing but a wish that every people on this earth should get enough water for drink and for other purpose. Okay, so when you skip a bath, when you take bath pill, one quality inculcates in you, and that is called sacrifice. Okay, you are sacrificing something for our people, for our earth. Okay, sacrifice. Second thing is that fraternity, brotherhood. हम सब बोलते हैं ना, भारत, India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. And Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam means what? When you skip a bath, you are skipping or you are saving water for your brothers and sisters. कोणीतरी मराठवाड्यात राहतंय, त्यांच्यासाठी मी बाथ पिल घेतोय. Somebody is living in tundra or any place on earth. Okay, I am saving water for my auntie of South Africa. Okay, then third thing is that sacrifice, fraternity. The third thing is that compassion. We all are human being. Compassion, करुणा आहे आपल्याकडे. Okay, we have that feeling that सबका अच्छा हो. Okay, generally किसी का बुरा हो ऐसा कोई सोचता नहीं है, generally. Okay, so we that quality, third quality, that compassion inculcates in you. Okay, and the fourth one is that saving. Fourth pillar is saving. Our forefather save this earth. But now today, whenever we go outside, you will find plastic, garbage, you will find good river. Will you find? No. But his father, he was his witness of that good river. But what we are doing? No. That means our forefather saved our earth, saved our natural resources. But young brigade, sorry to say, but not doing anything. At least we should shout, Andolan, Gandhiji, Satyagraha. Barabar na? We are not utilizing those principles, sorry to say. Okay. So these 4 pillars of bath pill. When you skip a bath, sacrifice, fraternity, compassion, and saving. And these 4 pillars are for our next generation. For not only our next generation, but for trees, for species, birds, animals, everyone. We have, tie-up with one African country, and bath pill is now in Africa also. They also like the concept bath pill. Okay. So bath pill, skip a bath and save the world. There is, you can Google. There is one news. We were not, मतलब आम्हाला माहित नव्हतं की taking a bath pill is just saving water. No. Taking a bath pill is just like saving this world, because you are saving natural resources. Natural resources means what? This earth or this world. Okay. So you can Google, skip a bath and save the world. Okay. So one of the reporter, journalist gave this title, and from that day, there are 4 pillars. We invented these 4 pillars, and we linked this bath pill to climate change. So bath pill is a climate action. So when you take bath pill, you save water, you save natural resources. Means what? It is a climate action. When you skip a bath, you don't use heater or geyser for maybe 10 minutes. Okay, and to produce that electricity or heater, you have to burn the coal. That coal will be saved. Okay, whenever you go to village, maybe Badgaon, you have to burn the wood. That you have saved. That means what? You are taking climate action. So bath pill is nothing but a climate action. And whenever you are taking climate action, you are saving this world. Okay, so behavioral change. It's our behavior, or it's our habit that whenever we get up, we have to take bath. Okay. But now we have to change. I don't say that you take bath pill on every day. No. I want you to take bath pill once, not in a month, not in a year, once in your lifetime. Only once in a lifetime. But it should be intentional. And take pride. Yes, today I have taken bath pill and I have saved the world. I have taken climate action. So one bath pill intentionally once in your lifetime. That is what my expectation. Okay. So what is top? Yes, again, what is top? Common climate action. There are many climate actions. But what Japanese people can take that climate action? What American people, what Pakistani people, what Bangladeshi people? Every human being needs cleaning or bath. Okay. And if you propagate, if we spread this bath free concept, see, our dream is that there are many days, many days होते हैं. Any day, Father Day, Mother Day, environment. कब होता है? 6 June होता है, बराबर है. Likewise, our dream is that on 1st January should be celebrated as a bath free day, and it must be declared by the United Nations. What happens if there is a bath free day on 1st January?
very beginning of new year, many people will skip a bath intentionally, and they will have compassion towards those who don't have. They will leave sacrifice. They will leave fraternity. They will leave brotherhood. Okay, they will save earth on very first day of new year. Okay, so it's our dream. I don't know when it will be completed. I don't know, but it's a dream. Okay, so one leaky toilet wastes from 4.5 billion liters and generates 40 tons of carbon emission per year. A small leakage. Okay, so forget about leakage. Concentrate on bath fee. When you skip a bath, 10 liters into 8 billion liters. So 80 billion people, billion liter will be saved. So it's a behavioral change. You have to accept climate change. Don't go into that deep. What is climate change? How it occurs? Just accept climate change and just take climate action. Okay, these are, as we're told, that these are 17 SDG, Sustainable Development Goals, and everything is related to water. No poverty. Okay, if there is a poverty, means that family is not getting good food, good water, enough water. Zero hunger, no food, that means no water. Good health and well-being. So water is required for good health. Quality education. If that girl, as we have seen, okay, she's running for water, how she will get good education? Okay, so gender equality. There is no equality. तुळशीला पाणी कोण घालतं? Who offer water to basil every day? Mother. Why mother? Why not father? Why not brother? Why not me? इक्वेलिटी है क्या? इक्वेलिटी है मैडम, बरोबर ना? You must be knowing we offer water to basil plant in Maharashtra. You are from which state? महाराष्ट्र. बरोबर ना? तुळशीला पाणी घालतो ना आपण म्हणजे कोण? आई घालते, आपण नाही घालत. बरोबर ना? So why not that male? दादा आज तू ती बहीण का नाही सांगत आज दादा आज तू पाणी घाल, किंवा माझी बायको हो आज पाणी घाल म्हणते. कारण मी जेव्हा लेक्चर देतो तेव्हा माझी बायको म्हणते हो ड्युरिंग दोज 5 days. येस, ती मला सांगते. जगाला लेक्चर देतात, घरात तरी हे करा, कारण मी विसरतो, आय फॉरगॉट. पण हा जो काही वुमनचा जो संस्कार आहे पिढ्याने पिढ्या, शी फॉलोज. ओके, सो जेंडर इक्वॅलिटी बिकॉज ऑफ वॉटर नसते. ओके, क्लीन वॉटर सॅनिटेशन हे सगळे आहे एकमेकांशी रिलेटेड आहे. अँड वॉटर इज द बेस. सो वी हॅव टू ऍक्सेप्ट, अडॉप्ट sustainable lifestyle for our future generation, for our earth. Okay, so there are many ways. Okay, so bathfill is the one way. So again, hey, this was all about bathfill. Okay, and bathfill is our organization's name. Okay, it's an NGO and our organization name is bathfill. One of my friends was saying in 2015 that don't give bathfill name because it is very ऐकायलाच ते कसं तरी वाटतंय आणि very first beginning ला तुम्ही reject व्हाल. Nobody will give you time or anything attention because of bathfill name. But I say no. Bathfill is a climate action. Bathfill is an individual action. Then we can see collective action or big actions. But it's an individual action. So bathfill is our NGO name. Then we started doing many projects regarding environment, and one of the project is nail-free tree. From since last 6 years, we have removed around 1 lakh of nails from the tree. People used to hammer the nails to put a banner, hoarding or other purpose. We have removed those 1 lakh of legs. Okay. If this is basil, ही जर तुळस असेल तर आई काय करेल आपल्याला घराच्या बाहेर काढेल, बरोबर ना. तुळशीला काही काही लावलं काय करेल, ए घराच्या बाहेर जा. But we are not serious about trees. We don't give respect to the trees. So nature is all about giving respect to the trees. When we have respect for trees, for natural resources, for Africa, for Uganda, for Japan, then we will have that one common thing, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, right? Why nail-free tree? Again, because of Jagdish, scientists Jagdish Bose have proved that trees to have feelings, trees to laugh, trees to cry. If they are crying, why we are shutting our mouth? We should not. Satyagraha. So nail-free tree is nothing but Satyagraha. Okay, there is one say, this world is very dangerous place. World is very dangerous place, not because of those who do evil, not because of those who do evil, but because of those who see and don't do anything. Okay, so see whatever is going on. If it is wrong, Satyagraha. Take some action, or just what you can say, असामाधानी राहा, नॉट असामाधानी, पण काय म्हणतात त्याला, अस्वस्थ व्हा, ऍटलिस्ट अस्वस्थ. ओके, म्हणजे मला सकाळी 6ला उठायचंय, मी गजर लावतो 6, 6, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, उठतच नाही. पण रोज तो गजर लावा. येस, वन डे आय विल वेक अप ॲट 6 अँड फ्रॉम दॅट डे फॉर एव्हर फॉर. तो बी अस्वस्थ, इंग्लिशमध्ये काय म्हणतात मला माहित नाही, आठवत नाही. अनकम्फर्टेबल, restless, be restless. At least be restless. That is the first step towards the success of this earth. Okay. Then there are many acts related to trees, Tree Act 1975. Then defacement act. Okay, it is defacing. We are defacing trees. They are giving what? Not giving justice to the trees. It is defacing. Okay. So then Tukaram Maharaj says, Vriksholyama Sware. That means trees are our brothers and sisters. Okay, if they are our brothers and sisters, why you are not taking care of them? Okay. Then Shivaji Maharaj, 50 years back, he gave one decree, royal decree, that don't cut trees unnecessarily. For me, Shivaji Maharaj was the first king who has taken climate action. Okay. Okay, so that sanskar, that teachings she gives every day, but we are not following. Okay, so that is why we are doing nail-free trees. This is our team from 5th standard boy to senior citizen. See, during G20 was held in Nagpur. So they have tied the rope light on the trees, and for that tree they have hammered 4 nails on the tree.
In Pune, there are so many trees there.
So whenever you go to hotel, you will find one tree outside that hotel and that lighting. So the birds on that tree, who live on that tree, have the right to sleep without light. Or that chameleon have right to change the color. But with that color of that light is something different. So he thinks, oh, how I can change that color? It's not possible for him, that chameleon. Okay. So again, one more thing. Havaman, there is one word. Climate action म्हणजेच हवामान ठोसा. We have invented one Marathi word. See, climate actions mean there are many actions. Put on solar panels, switch off lights, or rainwater harvesting. But in Marathi, climate change म्हणजे हवामान बदल. पण क्लायमेट ऍक्शन म्हणजे काय हे लगेच डोक्यात येत नाही. तो आम्ही एक नवीन शब्द इन्व्हेंटेड वी हॅव इन्व्हेंटेड इजाद किया है. That is climate ठोसा. Sorry, हवामान ठोसा. Okay, so any action when you are on signal, the signal is 60, 59, 58. Switch off the vehicle. What you will say? Fossil fuel. What you will say? Pollution. What you will say? CO2 emission. And that is nothing but climate action. That is nothing but havaman ठोसा. We have that organized one exhibition in Balgandharva of that myths, whatever we have been. That is okay. Then climate action means havaman ठोसा. Then what we do? We our team goes to different places and जे काही कचऱ्याला आग लागली लावतात ना लोक ते आम्ही भिजवतो and we do some
प्रबोधन करतो की हे चुकीचं आहे बिकॉज ऑफ इमिशन और पोल्युशन. ओके, सो हे आम्ही करतो, कचऱ्याला आग लावतो, जे लावलेले असतात त्यांच्या विरोधात आम्ही कारवाई करतो किंवा सांगतो. ओके, देन वी डू सी क्लिनिंग. ओके, इन मुंबई. थोडंसं गोळीविषयी अगेन आफ्रिकेमध्ये एकाशी आमचं टाईप झालेलं आहे. ओके, सो नेल फ्री टी अँड बाथ पिल आर क्लायमेट ॲक्शन्स. ओके, climate actions means you are saving world, this earth. Okay, so there are many news on. Okay, we have organized bath pill. The world is one family, vasudhaiva kutumbakam. So thank you. Let's live with the society with sustainable lifestyle and take bath pill. Okay, so हे कोण आहेत माझे? My family members. Okay, so I want all family members to be happy. When they will be happy? When they get good water, enough water. But they are not getting because of climate change. Okay, and what I am doing? I am taking bath pill. Our team is taking bath pill. Now I expect you to take bath pill. Again, one in a lifetime, only once. So need your support, friends. Okay, so I need check of 1 lakh from you. No, I need one bath pill from you in a lifetime. And give me, text me, Madhav, I have taken bath pill. Okay, when I was in university, I was studying MA philosophy. We spread that movement, bath pill, bath pill. Okay, so on Saturday and Sundays, I get many texts or messages. Madhya, अंघोळीची गोळी घेतली. That means what? Behavioral change. So bath pill is not something bad or something. So whenever you are admitted in hospital, तो डॉक्टर येऊन विचारतो का, अरे आज आंघोळ केली का? नाही, बरोबर ना? So bath is not that necessary. सो आपले सैनिक राजस्थान बॉर्डरला आहेत. ओके, राजस्थान बॉर्डर, दे डोंट गेट इनफ वॉटर. 20 लिटर पाण्याची बाटली 24 तासासाठी असते. तुम्ही काही करा याच्यामध्ये. मीन्स वॉट? दे डोंट बाथ. ओके, सो सी जे काही चुकीच्या सवयी म्हणणार नाही, बट चांगल्यासाठी तुम्ही बाथ पिल घ्या. टेक ॲक्शन, टेक क्लायमेट ॲक्शन, टेक बाथ पिल. थँक्यू. अँड वन मोर थिंग, म्हणजे संपलेलं नाही आहे, मला एकच सांगायचं आहे की ॲज आय सेड, एव्हरी इंडिव्हिज्युअल इज रिसोर्स ऑफ टाइम, स्किल, गुडविल अँड आयडियाज. 4 थिंग्स. सो व्हॉट यू हॅव, आय वॉन्ट दॅट. टाइम, skill, goodwill and ideas. So I want you to be part of bath pill. I want you to take bath pill once. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really a motivational seminar for us. This seminar definitely impacted me, and I hope, and I'm also sure that everyone present here might have been impacted and develop the feelings for the world where we live and the water what we drink. So personally, I want to say, sir, that Boys Hostel is always with you, sir.
Yes.
We are quite familiar with the path there,
Now take pride.
and I'm also taking pride that
Yes.
it's a very good thing, and I'm on a way to save the water for the world and upcoming generation.
Yes. Thank you.
So, coming to the end of the event, I would like to make few announcements, and after that, vote of thanks will be conducted. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
आणि
Yeah,
बाहेर
Q&A also.
बाहेर एक्झिबिशन पण आहे. अँड आय वॉन्ट यू टू टेक फोटो विथ प्लाकार्ड. येस, विल यू सगळे? अँड आय वॉन्ट युअर स्पेस. यू हॅव खूप जमीन आहे तुमच्याकडं, बरोबर ना? जमीन मीन्स आय वॉन्ट 1 inch square of your status today with that placard. So let world know what is Badpil. Let world know that you are caring.
Yes, we will do it.
Okay. So thank you.
So Q&A session begins. Please ask your questions.
बातमी म्हणजे काय?
हां
जेव्हा आम्ही इथून बाहेर पडतो
हां
तेव्हा आमच्यासमोर काय चॅलेंजेस येतील लोकांना समजून सांगता नाही याबद्दल ते कसे आम्ही टॅकल करतो?
नाही, चॅलेंजेस तुम्हाला सांगितले की बातपील का जन्माला आली? तर बिकॉज ऑफ ड्राऊट. तर ड्राऊट का आला? तर बिकॉज ऑफ क्लायमेट चेंज. सो क्लायमेट चेंज इज नथिंग बट चेंज ऑफ पॅटर्न ऑफ सीझन्स. ओके, पावसाळ्यात उन्हाळा आहे, उन्हाळ्यात पावसाळा आहे, हे सगळं होत आहे. ड्राऊट येत आहेत, दुष्काळ येत आहेत, हेवी रेनफॉल होतोय. ओके, सो ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला सांगाव्या लागतील की अंघोळीची गोळी फक्त ड्राऊट रिलेटेड नाहीये. अंघोळीची गोळी ही आफ्रिका खंडामध्ये जो काही रिफ्युजी कॅम्प्स तयार होत आहेत किंवा बांगलादेश, ढाका तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का, पाण्याखाली चाललाय हळूहळू. इवन मुंबई. ओके, मुंबई विल गो इन टू दॅट सी 2075. सो ते रिफ्युजी कॅम्प्समध्ये राहत आहेत. सो आय केअर फॉर देम. वसुधैव कुटुंबकम. मला जास्त लांब नको जायला. मराठवाड्यामध्ये दुष्काळ असतो, माहिती आहे तुम्हाला. कधीही जा, पावसाळ्याच्या 1 महिन्यानंतर जा, तिथे दुष्काळ असतो. तिथे 7 दिवसांनी पाणी असतं. जालन्यामध्ये 7 दिवसांनी ॲव्हरेज पाणी असतं. तर जालन्यात समजा माझं कोणतरी जालन्याला आहे, अरे माधव काय करतोय? काय नाही, मी स्विमिंगला आलोय. शिव्या देतील, अरे मला इथं 7 दिवसांनी पाणी येतं आणि तू स्विमिंग करतोय, बरोबर ना? सो दॅट 24/7 वॉटर इन पुणे, दॅट इज रॉंग. जर ते माझ्या कोणाला तरी मिळत नाही तर मी फक्त पैसे देतो, आय एम पेइंग टॅक्स, व्हॉट दे आर डुईंग देन? ते काहीतरी शेती करतात, काहीतरी करतायत ना. सो इनइक्वॅलिटी आहे. सो तुम्ही जे काही बोलणार आहात दॅट इज ॲज गुड ॲज सत्याग्रह. तुम्ही कोणाशी डायलॉग करणार आहात ते तुम्ही चांगल्यासाठी करणार आहात, पृथ्वीसाठी करणार आहात. सो ते केलं पाहिजे. आणि टेक प्राईड. त्याला कन्व्हिन्स बघ, मी कन्व्हिन्स म्हणत नाहीये, पण त्यांना ते सांगा. पटलं तर ठीक आहे. आता त्यांना सांगा, हॉस्पिटलमध्ये गेल्यानंतर तुम्ही 8 दिवस ॲडमिट आहात. 8 दिवसापैकी किती दिवस आंघोळ करता तुम्ही? नाही करत. तुम्ही फौजी मिलिटरीवाल्यांना विचारा, जे बॉर्डरमध्ये हे करतात ना, किती दिवसांनी आंघोळ करतात? नाही करत. पण ती त्यांची ड्युटी थांबवत नाही. ओके, कुठला प्राणी अपार्ट फ्रॉम ह्युमन बिंग हू टेक बाथ? टेल मी. साप घेतो? वाघ घेतो? चिमणी घेती? किंवा मुंगी घेते? नाही. मुंगी तर अरे कायम काम करत असते ना. मुंगी मध्ये ओ आज सो मच स्वेटिंग, सो हॉट असं म्हणते का? नाही. सो ठीक आहे, व्हॉट एव्हर इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर युअर क्लिनिंग यू हॅव टू टेक. पण हे चॅलेंज तुम्हाला येतील, लोक विचारतील, ए घाणे, पण हे तर चेंज करायचे आपल्याला. मदर्स डे, फादर्स डे, व्हॅलेंटाईन डे का आले? टू प्रमोट लव्ह ना. और दिस गोखले इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स अँड इकॉनॉमिक्स. हे काय? ते पॉलिटिक्स म्हणजे काय? उद्या जर निघू शकतं असं एखादा तुमच्यापैकी कोण इन्व्हायरमेंट मिनिस्टर झाला. तुमचं नाव काय? हां, गायत्री. उद्या इन्व्हायरमेंट मिनिस्टर झाली आणि म्हणाली 1 जानेवारीला भारतात कोणी आंघोळ करायची नाही. का? ती रिझन देईल ना, की मराठवाड्यात पाणी नाही, अजून कुठे कुठे पाणी नाही, त्या मानखटा विटाला पाणी नाहीये, नाही करायची कोणी ऑर्डर. प्रोज अँड कॉन्स असतील, टीका होईल, पण तिला काहीतरी आहे. काय आहे तिला? कंपॅशन आहे, फ्रॅटर्निटी आहे, बरोबर ना? सो हे तुम्हाला करावं लागेल. चॅलेंजेस असणार आहेत. म्हणजे 2015ला वेन वी स्टार्टेड दिस बातपील, मेनी फ्रेंड्स आमचे म्हणत होते की बातपील नाव ठेवू नको. I have changed my name on Facebook, that Madhav Pani. So they asked me to give me Pani as a this organization's name. No, I said no. ऑर्गनायझेशनचं नाव अँड ॲक्शन ही एकच राहील. बाथ पिल, क्लायमेट ॲक्शन म्हणजे सॉरी अंघोळीची गोळी. म्हणजे टिल 2020-22 आम्ही अंघोळीची गोळीच करत होतो. पण वेन दॅट न्यूज केम, स्कीप अ बाथ अँड सेव्ह द वर्ल्ड, वी हैव चेंज अवर पर्सपेक्टिव. मतलब बगाइचा नजरिया चेंज कर दिया किसी ने. तो हमारा नहीं था नजरिया, किसी ने हमको दे दिया. जैसे आपका नजरिया अभी थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया है. जैसे जैसे आप काम करते जाओगे, यू विल गेट बिगर कैनवास. यस. सुरुवात मी पेपर वाचत होतो आणि सकाळी 8-8:30 वाजले होते. अंघोळ करून पेपर वाचत होतो, चहा चपाती खात होतो आणि हेडलाईन होती, पुण्याला दर दिवसाआड पाणी. ओके. सो मोकळा होतो. बायकोला म्हणलं, नीट पाणी वापर, पुण्याला दर दिवसाआड. आता बायको बायको असते. तुम्ही नका सांगू आम्हाला, आम्हाला कळतं. येस, त्यांना कळतं. वुमन नोज व्हॉट टू डू विथ द नॅचरल रिसोर्सेस. म्हणजे सकाळी तुळशीला पाणी घालायचं हे कळतं ना तिला. तिला सांगावं लागतं का? मला सांगावं लागतं. हो, आता तरी घाला पाणी. तिला कळतं सगळं. सो ती म्हणाली, तुम्ही गप्प बसा, मला सगळं कळतं, तुम्ही सांगा तुम्ही काय करणार. अरे बापरे. सो 2015ला मला प्रश्न पडला त्यावेळेस की मी काय करणार. सो आय वॉज रिडिंग पुण्याला दर दिवसाआड पाणी, दर दिवसाआड पाणी, दर दिवसाआड पाणी. मी म्हणलं चल मी उद्यापासून दर दिवसाआड आंघोळ करतो. दर दिवसाआड आंघोळ. दॅट मीन्स टेकिंग बाथ पिल ऑन एव्हरी अल्टरनेट डे. अँड येस, आय डोंट, काय मी लाजत नाही, आय डोंट शाय, की आय हॅड टेकन बाथ पिल from 2015 to first day of corona on every alternate day. Now I take bath pill on Saturdays or Sundays, but from 2015 to 2020-21 I had taken bath pill on every alternate day. So it started like that. So त्याला नाव पडलं की एक दिवस आंघोळ केली, एक दिवस केली नाही. एकदा काय झालं की दिवाळी असते. दिवाळीला पाडवा हा सण असतो. पाडव्याला नवरा बायकोचा सण असतो तो, बरोबर. सो पाडव्याच्या दिवशी आंघोळ करायची नव्हती. पाडव्याच्या दिवशी आंघोळीची गोळी होती. सो मी झोपलो आणि मला असं वाटलं की आता बायको म्हणे, हो तुमचं ते बास करा, आंघोळीची गोळी बास करा, आज सण आहे, असं वाटलं बरं का. सो झोपलो होतो. चालू झाली ती खडबड 5-5:15ला. 6 वाजताचा काही ॲडिशनल गजर वाजला. सो तिने मला उठवलं, उठा, पोरांना आंघोळ घाला, तुमची आंघोळीची गोळी आहे. बस दुनिया जिंकली, बरोबर ना. सो दुनिया घरातनं जिंकली मी. सो ते मग ते नाव पडलं. 2015 पासून आंघोळीची गोळी घेतली का घेतली. सो मेसेज येतात, म्हणजे तुमचाही मेसेज येऊ देत मला, माझा नंबर आहे, घ्या वाटलंच तर, हक्काने घ्या. तर येऊ दे मेसेज, माधव आय हॅव टेकन बाथ पिल. अरे फॉरगेट बाथ पिल, आय हॅव सेव्ड द वॉटर, आय हॅव सेव्ड द वर्ल्ड, I have taken climate action. Yes.